If you work in digital marketing, chances are that you've used Google Trends at some point. It's a free Google tool that lets you see how searches around certain topics evolve over time. A lot of people know about it, but in practice, it's often seriously underused. And that's a shame, because Google Trends, when used properly, can help you understand how user interests evolve, detect trends before they explode, and uncover valuable opportunities for content, SEO, or even marketing campaigns. So let's take a look at how Google Trends works today and how you can use it practically within your marketing strategy. Google Trends shows the evolution of search interests around a term or topic on Google over time. But there's one important detail. It doesn't show the exact number of searches. Instead, it uses a popularity index that goes from 0 to 100. By working with relative indexes, Google Trends makes it easy to compare different terms and see how their popularity changes over time. And those comparisons are where a big part of the tool's value comes from. Getting started with Google Trends is pretty simple. You just go to trends.google.com and use the tool almost like a search engine. You'll enter a keyword, a brand, or a concept, and the system will show you a graph with the evolution of search interest. For example, let's say we analyze a well-known brand like Nike. As soon as we enter the term, we can immediately see how search interest has evolved over time. From there, we can adjust several filters that completely change how we're going to interpret that data. We can analyze search behavior worldwide, or even focus on a specific country, region, or local areas. We can look at the last 12 months, the last 5 years, or even historical data going back to 2024. And the third filter is the type of search. Google Trends allows you to analyze web searches, but also searches on YouTube, in news, in Google Shopping, or images. This is particularly interesting because user behavior can actually vary a lot depending on the platform. One of the most useful features in Google Trends is the ability to compare terms. Instead of just analyzing a single keyword, you can enter multiple terms and see how relative interest evolves between them. For example, we could compare Nike and Adidas. Here it's important to remember that values don't represent absolute search volume, but rather proportions of interest between the compared terms. These kinds of comparisons can help you better understand how brands evolve within a sector, detect marketing changes, or identify which terms are gaining relevance. It's also very useful when working on SEO or content strategy. For example, you can compare variations like online marketing, digital marketing, or internet marketing. In many cases, you'll clearly see which term has become dominant over time. Another especially interesting section appears below the main graph, commonly searched queries. Here, Google will show you other searches that users perform in connection with the term that you're analyzing. They usually appear in two categories: top queries and rising queries. Rising queries are especially valuable because they can indicate emerging trends. In some cases, they even appear labeled as breakout, which means that the growth has been extremely fast. These kinds of signals can help you identify content opportunities before they become saturated. Another feature that many marketers don't use is the section called Trending Now. Here, Google shows the topics generating spikes in search activity in real time. This can be especially useful for content or social media teams, for example. Beyond analyzing trends, Google Trends can also be a very useful tool for generating content ideas. You can start by analyzing a main term related to your industry, explore related topics, observe emerging queries, and detect search patterns. On top of that, many topics show clearly seasonal behavior. This happens in industries like travel, gifts, fitness, or fashion. Understanding these cycles allows you to plan your editorial calendar or marketing campaigns more effectively, publishing the right content just as the interest starts to grow. Ultimately, Google Trends is a fairly simple tool, but when used properly, it can deliver a huge amount of value and show the direction of trends. And that information can help you make more informed decisions around content, SEO, or marketing strategy. Thank you for watching. And if you want to keep learning about digital marketing tools and strategies, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos.